My name is Neil Sethi. I'm the president and CEO of Transtar Holding Company and NexaMotion Group. Our mission at NexaMotion Group of simplifying complex vehicle repair to keep the world moving is all about coming up with great customer solutions to keep the entirety of the public on the go. Obviously, mobility and getting to where you need to go is really important to us. Our goal at NexaMotion Group is to make sure we do that with excellence. So the objectives of NexaMotion Group to really support our mission really surrounds really understanding the customer experience, understanding what needs and issues our customers are facing, and then bringing creative and innovative product solutions to solve those needs. So NexaMotion Group values are commitment, humility, optimism, integrity, and respect. So the way that NexaMotion Group demonstrates its values daily, it really starts with how we behave with one another. We're constantly focusing on how to solve problems together as one team. Any idea, whether it comes from any part of our organization, as long as it's the best idea, that idea wins, and it ends up becoming hopefully a product and solution to really support our organization. Fundamentally, that's what we're about in terms of our values and culture. It's really about unifying our organization, working as one team. There's many facets to our vision. Ultimately, our goal as an organization is to have a very values-driven culture. Essentially, the way that we do things is as important as what we do as an organization. Our goal really is to be constantly close to our customers, coming up with solutions to problems and needs. Every industry, including the automotive aftermarket, is changing. We want to make sure that the products and solutions we're coming up with aren't just purpose for today's needs, but future needs as well. NexaMotion Group mission, vision, and values, the way that they're special is that we took a lot of time and careful thought to really think through what we want to be and what we could become. The special component of that is to live that, right? It isn't just putting your mission, vision, values on your website or in your employee handbook. It's really to espouse and live those values and that mission every single day. It's something we talk about in all of our discussions, all of our meetings, and it's things that we talk about even with our suppliers and customers in terms of making sure that we're achieving every day what we're purposed to do with our long-term vision. The mission of simplifying complex vehicle repair means that our organization of NexaMotion Group is going to be constantly looking at solutions to problems, whether those challenges live today or they're going to continue to live into the future. Looking at ways that we could bring product solutions, whether it's actually the parts that we sell or the technology that we bring to market, through our innovative solutions just transcend to really help solve those needs and solve those issues.